dual blade ako, dual blade.
Anong dual blade mo?
Pati yung nga ilaw para makapokus ako.
Nah, bro, you're capping, bro.
Nah, bro.
Anong HR ka na?
46.
46 ka na? Are you telling me na ako, who has played since day one, who is still HR 30, at ikaw is HR 46?
Hindi ko naman sinishare eh.
Okay, so who's like your toughest monster to beat, bro?
Si Spider-Man.
I thought so. I fucking thought so, bro. Putang ina. Why do you even entertain that query, man?
Sigla ako nagla-live stream siya, nag-chat ako. Nakiki-epal ako. Oo nga, ano na ako, HR 30 na ako. Nakikita, tinitignan niya lang eh.
I'm like,
walang pake.
Do I even do I even entertain this? You know, should I even take notice of this?
Pero yung kila Royce, kila Creepy, sumasagot siya. Tapos pag ako sasagot.
Siyempre, putang ina. Kitang-kita ko, nasa squad ko sila eh. Kitang-kita ko, nag-grind sila. Damn,
sa squad?
Bro. Yeah, bro. I invited you to our Monster Hunter Wild squad, bro.
Ikaw ba yung nag-invite?
Yeah, I did.
Yung Pinoy's Realm?
Oo. Sino pa ba gagawa ano?
Kala ko fake eh. Sabi ko, gumawa na ako. Who the fuck is this guy inviting me?
May gumawa ka na sarili mo.
How the fuck did he know me, girl?
Nah, bro.
Gumawa ako Pinoy's Realm.
Nah, bro.
Then, bro, mag-intro ka muna.
This is the intro. What the fuck you mean?
What the fuck? We're already started.
What the fuck? We've already started. What do you mean?
Mag-intro na kahit mag-intro lang.
Guys, welcome to the Pinoy's Packing Podcast Episode 2. Let's fucking go.
2?
Tama.
This is episode 2, bro.
Tama.
Of 2025?
Of 2025. What do you mean, bro? This is like the second week. Oh, diba? Nice. And kaka-release ng Monster Hunter Wilds. That's why we're kind of talking about it. And obviously, si Neil, he's bullshitting it. But yeah, it's been a fun week for the launch of Monster Hunter Wilds.
No, it's not. Okay.
Why?
They nerfed my boy, man. They nerfed my boy.
Nerfed who?
Nerf yung bow. Tagal mag-lock in.
Are you fucking kidding me? Bow is cracked now.
Yes, I'm the bone man, no?
It's cracked now. Alam mo ba pas ano na siya ngayon? Dati yung bow parang isa-spam mo lang yung diba? And then it doesn't, it barely does damage. Tapos ngayon, may focus mode na sa Wilds, diba? So like literally you can play, you're playing Hawkeye. Hindi naman Hawkeye.
No, the thing, sa beta kasi, malakas kasi yung
malakas yung bow. Like tuloy-tuloy talaga yung focus.
Yeah, and they nerfed it. Because it's cracked. Beta bow was cracked as fuck.
Puta naman.
I'm just happy. My Kinsect glaive is fucking buff now. Okay, binalik nila yung helicopter combo. So, I'm happy with that. Okay.
Bro,
Beta wala yun.
Helicopter.
Tingnan mo yung mukha ni Neil, gago. Naintindihan niya lahat.
Don't worry, bro. He's HR 46. Don't worry, he's HR 46.
Sorry, nag-post lang kasi ako ng first wedding anniversary namin.
Ay, congratulations, bro.
Congratulations.
Anniversary.
O nga, nag-post nga. Okay. Heart natin.
Asan niya?
Sa Facebook niya. Personal Facebook.
First anniversary pala eh.
Share ko pa yan, no?
Share mo sa PR page. Happy anniversary. Ay, share mo ngayon sa PR page.
Tapos congrats mo ako. Tapos more wedding anniversaries to come.
Ayun.
More wedding anniversaries to come. What the fuck does that mean?
More weddings to come.
More weddings to come. Yan. More weddings to come.
More babies to come.
Yo bro, pangit yung more weddings.
Yun ang kaya po. That's the point. That's the point.
That's the point, bro. That's the point. Post mo yan.
Yung comment ko, ganyan dapat. Ayun.
Ano comment, man?
Anong ginamit din?
What did you comment, bro?
Tapos sumutugtog yung leaking pagkata.
What?
Why did he do that, bro? Why did he do that, you know? It's so weird dun sa song.
Hindi ko nga rin alam kung
May
ba't
meme
niya
yan eh,
ginawa
yung
yun.
di ba, may meme yun, di ba, like, magkalaban daw sila ni Trump. Tapos
Okay.
isang boto na lang daw ang kailangan para manalo. Tapos siya yung bumoto kay Trump. Nanalo si Trump. Kasi yung ginawa niya yung meme.
What?
It's all my plan. A good as meme, right? I like it.
God damn, bro. I don't even know the meme, pero like, na-imagine ko na. Okay, na.
Pero alam yung song. Puta, nakanta mo, gag.
Yun nga, yeah. I didn't even know that was the song you were. Ang dami-daming song ng Linkin Park, pero I just feel like, you know, with the vibes, yun lang yung parang, yun yung pinaka-meme na song ng Linkin Park. Yeah.
Are we actually analyzing memes right now?
Well, what do you mean idolizing memes? We literally just
Analyzing!
Analyzing memes? No, we're just, it's Linkin Park. I just wanted to talk about Linkin Park. Actually, I don't want to talk about Linkin Park. Holy shit, bro. I have bad memories of Linkin Park. Okay. There was a time na may pinsan ako, like he's a super duper hardcore Linkin Park fan. Okay. And then Damn, Chris is laughing in the. He's muted laughing, bro. He's being
He's getting
assaulted
swag,
right
bro.
now.
Holy
He's-
shit.
Oh my
Putang
god,
ina,
he's
physical
being
abuse.
He's being domesticated domestic violence by damn bro.
But he
violence.
likes it though. Maybe
He
he's
likes it. He's
maso-
laughing, bro. Maybe
maso-
maybe
you know?
he's ano tawag
Masochist,
doon?
you know?
Masochist, bro. Tama kan. Holy shit. I never knew Chris was like that, bro. For our,
Tangina, I knew it.
for our listeners in Spotify, Chris is being pounded right now.
He's getting harassed pero he's liking it.
He is smiling. He likes it. Damn, Chris. Not in front of the kids, Chris. Okay. Speaking of kids, Linkin Park.
Ano, kids, suot ni Chris.
It's just Roblox characters. But
No,
anyway,
this
so
Lego.
Lego.
This is
Lego.
Lego.
It's a Lego.
Can I go back to my Linkin Park
Go
lore,
back, go
lore
back.
dump? Okay, I have a lore dump.
Erase.
Sige, sige.
As much as I like Linkin Park, I medyo may childhood ako doon, core memory ako doon. So I have this, may pinsan ako, sobrang hardcore fan siya ng Linkin Park. Like he would play that shit over and over and over again nung bata kami. Like I'm talking about grade school here. So like probably 20 years ago. And then may yung tito ko, yung tatay niya. Like I've never seen him mad at all. Okay? Like parang mabait. I always thought na sobrang bait niyang tito. Like never super chill pala. Sorry. Super chill, never nagagalit. Now, me being the little shit that I am, yung pinsan ko, he was playing Linkin Park. And ako naman, sabi ko, fuck that shit, man. Why do you keep watching? He was watching yung concert recording. So it was a video. Ako, I wanted to watch Bugs Life, bro. Like, I wanted to watch Bugs Life. Like, bro, you've been playing that concert in a loop. Dude, like, bro, I don't get it. We are kids. We are literally like 7 or 8 years old. Why are we listening to rock music, a rock concert right now? We should be watching a fucking Disney, ano ba yun?
Like any Pixar cartoons.
Like Pixar cartoon, anything, man. I want to watch cartoons, man.
Ang tanong,
What?
asa kanila ka ba?
Basta kanila, oh. Kaya nga sabi ko,
Ay,
let's
you
wait
shit,
lang.
bro.
Wait lang. Kaya nga sabi ko,
Puta sa kanila pa. Pugira ina.
that's what I'm saying.
Nakikinig ka na lang.
Let him cook.
that's why I'm saying, the little shit that I am. Alright, inaano ko na kayo. The little shit that I am, nainip na ako. Kasi I was dropped in there, dun sa bahay ng pinsan ko. Okay? That was like my daycare or something. Parang kasi walang tao sa bahay. So anyways, napiko na ako or naatat na ako. I thought that, you know what? I'll just turn off this fucking... I'll just turn off this, yung kung ano man yung I don't know kung yung DVD player, turned it off, yung eject button, and he was like, what the fuck did you just do? And then I swapped it straight up with Bugs Life CD, and then I hit play. And then this guy started crying. Okay? Like he was shouting and shit, crying. Tapos dumating yung tito ko. Tapos nakita niya yung anak niya kasi paborito niya yung anak niya yan. He was so super chill, but he loves his kid so much.
Paborito niya anak.
Ay, about to pack you up, bro.
Of course, like puta ina. He saw his kid crying. So puta ina, for the first time ever, I saw him growl yung tito ko. I saw him like make a very angry face. Like, anong nangyari? Gumanon siya. I'm like, holy shit. Like, holy shit, what have I done? What I've done?
Wala ka bang PS sa inyo? Ba't ka pa pumupunta sa kapitbahay?
No, again. Like, I was just dumped in there. Okay? I was there.
Damn,
to
walang
vibe.
nagbabantay. Wala kasing yaya si Idol.
I was just there to vibe. Okay? I was just there to vibe. Wala akong choice. So I was bored. I wanted to watch Bugs Life. I didn't want to watch Linkin Park. So anyways, yun, na-trauma ako dun. Kinarga niya yung anak niya, yung pinsan ko, out of the door. And then I was just left there, you know? He didn't even say anything to me. And that kind of sucked, you know? I should have been reprimanded or anything to para may character development. Mas malala yun eh. Yung parang...
Yung mas kakabahan ka eh.
Oo eh.
Wala sinabi.
Parang wala sinabi sa akin. Like, what the...
Di ba, nagloko? Balang araw may pamangkin ka magpapatay ng kung ano mang pinapakinggan mo sa DVD or sa...
Yes. Yeah, I will do the same thing, bro. I will probably do the same thing. Kung may pamangkin na akong little shit, gagawin ko rin yun. I will do the silent treatment. Tapos matotrauma rin siya. Isipin niya kung bakit.
God damn.
Titignan mo lang ng masama sabay, ano? Sabay iiwan.
Exactly, bro. It still haunts me till this day. Yun lang, that's just my thing about Linkin Park.
You know what's
Damn,
funny? You know what's funny that back then you really talk shit about the songs that your older people and then nakasama mo sa bahay that they're listening to. It's like, why am I listening to this bullshit? Like all this bullshit, like this rock shit. I want someone else. I want something, something modern. And then when you grow up, you just ended up listening to fucking fucking whatever, like
old
70s.
music,
Yeah,
man.
yeah, yeah.
90s music, 70s.
70s,
I can't believe you
60s.
guys said rock music is the old music. Hindi
Puta.
ba parang baliktad?
No, like the
di ba dati
90s,
rock
90s,
music was-
90s rock music.
Yeah, 90s rock music was the shit back then, di ba? Pero I think it's true, yung, let's say for yung mga pinapakinggan ng mga parents natin dati yung, ano yan? Or let's say your
Parents ko
grandparents.
lagi Bon Jovi.
Di ba, gano'n, mga Bon Jovi,
Bon Jovi.
or top of the world, okay, mga inaano, kinakaraoke
Yeah.
pa rin hanggang
Yeah.
ngayon. Dati I was like,
Top of the
sobrang
world,
baduy na
bro.
baduy ako doon.
Yeah.
But somehow, the moment, the way that they kept on
Alam mo
playing
bakit?
that, bakit?
Kasi di pa natin alam yung meaning nung
Nung
song
mga
that
lyrics,
time,
yeah.
Hindi pa na-appreciate
yeah,
it.
And we couldn't
Diba?
vibe yet. Tapos parang
Oo,
wala pa
kaya
sa...
hindi na makavibe.
and I think it was more of... Kasi dati na ano tayo, yung generation natin sobrang exposed sa rock music. So, yung melodies na...
Your generation.
Shut your mouth.
Fuck!
Oh.
I think we all just got used sa, alam mo yun, repetitive shit. Like parang,
Yeah,
this is
true,
boring
true.
as fuck. You know, every year na lang parang nag-evolve yung music, pero not in a good way. Alam mo yun, like it's just, we went from having those songs and then naging ano na lang ngayon, like about sex and shit, you know, about booty, about big booty bitches.
Wait, actually, that was... the thing is, that was the songs then before.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Diba? They just did
But
it better.
they had class, you know, alam mo yun?
Exactly. They just did it
Tingnan mo,
better.
tingnan mo, imagine mo, kinakanta-kanta ni Neil yung kanta ni Madonna, like a prayer. Like, yeah, kinakanta niya. He doesn't know, he doesn't know that the fucking song is an allegory for a fucking blowjob.
What the?
Is it?
Yeah.
I don't even know that. I don't even know that.
Lyrics,
Read the
man.
lyrics.
Yeah, bro.
Read the lyrics,
Yeah,
bro.
bro.
Read the lyrics.
I wanna take you there.
Ang fucked up,
Damn.
di ba?
What
Nakaupo ako sa Coveta. Saan yung music nung pinapanood ko? Sabi nung comments, first 3 comments, stop using this blowjob song. Sabi ko, what the fuck is this shit? Tapos pinag-usapan natin ngayon sa podcast.
What
Ito later
the
ko
Wala
fuck?
lang kasi nakita
It's a
yun.
blowjob too.
Wait, what is that song? Is that a new song?
Check
No,
it.
Madonna.
Madonna.
It's a Madonna
Madonna.
song.
So, nilagay pa sa ano yun? Sa...
So Deadpool, yeah. Ginawa
Yeah.
orchestra just to like sound it more heavenly, kumbaga.
No, wait. Kasi parang nakita ko, akala ko yung sinasabi nila, anong pangalan ng title na yun? Yung
Like a
The
prayer.
prayer?
Like a prayer. Like a prayer.
Like a prayer?
Ni Madonna.
Check nyo.
All
Check
this time,
nyo
I've
lyrics.
thought like
Nilagay
yung
sa
the
ano eh.
prayer, yung parang yung Bible song.
No!
No.
prayer.
No!
Like a prayer, bro.
It's like ano?
What
Hey,
the
yo,
fuck
bro.
is that?
Like a prayer, laging ginagamit sa mga TikTok eh.
Why? So, okay, why did it suddenly become a TikTok thing?
Because it's Deadpool.
Hey,
Those people, the people, bro.
Deadpool.
Yeah, Deadpool and
Yeah.
Wolverine, yeah. You haven't watched it yet?
What the No, I watched it, but never tumatak sa akin yung song na yun. What part? You know what? I don't even want to know. You know what? I don't want that in my algo. Yung like a player na yun. But,
Nakikinig
okay.
sila. Mamaya makikita mo.
I hear your voice.
Dagi nilagay sa ano yun eh, sa endgame, may nag-edit, tas bagay daw. Nakita mo ba yun?
Yeah, I did.
Putang ina.
Just listen to
Bumagay
music.
daw.
I hear.
Kaya sinend ko sa ano, sa GC.
No, bro, I don't want to. Nah, bro, I don't want that on my algo.
Commercial! Gusto mo bang maging hari ng pirata? O gusto mong magka-TT Racing X One Piece chair? Or gusto mo ng table na gumagalaw? Well, di talaga siya gumagalaw. Taas, tumataas. Wait, napakita ko ba? Tumataas baba. Pwes, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Check out the link on the description. At magkaka-discount pa kayo pag bumili kayo ng TT Racing products pag ginamit nyo ang aming link. Check nyo dyan at para masimulan nyo na ang comfort journey nyo. Back to the video.
Holy shit.
Dada, pag nilik mo wala na, it's over bro.
Coming back to that topic about old songs, I unironically listen to My Way now.
Hey, same.
Oh, damn.
Yeah. I can actually
diba pag
fucking sing My
pinapatugtog
Way
yun,
as
ano?
well. Sa karaoke, I can fucking sing that shit.
Actually, yun na rin
Di
yung
ba,
ano ko. Oh,
di ba ano, pag pinapatugtog yun, may mga susuntukan na.
Hindi, barilan gago. Barilan.
Pinapanood.
What the fuck?
Yun na yun,
Susuntukan lang.
Yung battle music mo yun.
Tangina, yung battle ano pala.
Mga
Diba?
ano na daw, nagkakagulo na daw.
Barilan
pag
yun.
tinutugtog.
Actually, guys, if ever there will come a time that I will sacrifice my life for the greater good, thus I will charge into battle. Please play that music, okay?
What is a man? What a
Please,
sigat.
What a sigat!
Pagbibidyohan niyo ako, okay? I'll try to stay alive as far as I can, pero para mapuno yung music na yun. Ayan,
Para-
ma-play lang yung buong music, yung buong song na yun, okay?
Parang lang naglalaro
Do it.
Helldivers eh.
Exactly. Damn, My Way.
Ang weird yun, sa
actually,
Pilipinas
yun
lang
eh.
may ganyan.
You know why? Wait, you know why that's...
Kinover yan ng ano yan, Jessica Soho eh.
Yung My Way?
My way?
Oh,
Yung
Jessica
My-
Soho
song daw
nagkanta.
na
Yeah, the My Way Killings.
Not
Yeah.
cover, nakakanta, like kinover ng
The My Way
Kapuso
Killings.
din
Yeah,
nila.
yeah.
Oh, what? Is there like a conspiracy behind it?
Hindi mo alam yun, yung mga
Could be, bro.
yung dong panahon ng like around 2000s kasi pag kinanta daw yun sa local karaoke bars, there's like
They died, someone
parang
dies.
nagbabarilan bigla. Binabaril yung
Someone dies,
kinakanta.
bro.
And it never happened like once, it happened like a lot of times.
Yeah, there's multiple
some-
cases
What
na
the fuck? Ito nga.
Some voodoo shit.
May nasaksak dahil doon sa may kumanta ng My Way. What the fuck?
May ano?
Hindi ka na sila
Ano yun, may subliminal message pala yun. May subliminal
fuck?
Yeah, may parang may
melody.
something that activate something sa mga brain ng nila.
Sa
I
brain.
don't know, bro.
Baka
Parang may-
baka yun.
Baka like,
Oh,
puta,
bakit yung
favorite song ko
boses?
yan na gusto ko kantahin yan.
Baka favorite
This
yan,
guy.
boy. Tapos puta, bakit yung boses na kumakanta?
Baka yung may latest news kasi, di ba?
Ano?
Yung daw, pinagyabang na bulletproof siya. Baka yun yung
Ay, yung
kanta
binaril.
that time.
I haven't watched that yet.
Ang
Ay,
tunay
kanta,
na
kaya
reason
nangyari
talaga
yun.
dyan. Ang tunay na reason talaga dyan, mayroong mga sleeper agents dito sa Pilipinas tapos yun yung trigger song.
Na-awaken. Dun, 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 dun.
Yung pagkat na war.
Ito ba yung sleeper agent?
Oo, gago, tunay yun.
Kasi ang napanood kong skits nun is yung kay Phil and ano yun? Yung kalbo
Key and
saka
Peele,
yung
Key and Peele,
ano.
Key and Peele.
Ayan,
Yeah.
Key and Peele.
Oh, ano yung
Sobrang
trigger niya?
random ng ng skits na yun.
Yeah, tunay
Kasi
yun.
sleeper agent sila lahat.
Tunay yung mga sleeper agent. Kasi merong project dati yung America, it's called MK Ultra during the Cold War.
Damn, bro.
Yeah.
Chris
Of
Histories.
course, bro. He is
Damn.
Chris
the
Histories.
sleeper agent yung secret song.
It was like a rumor
Pag sinabihan mo
back
yan
then,
ng Hail
tapos ano.
Hydra, okay, magiging ano yan. Parang sabi siya, Hail Hydra, again! Armed and dangerous! Gagawin yan si Chris Gago.
That's
Who
not.
knows, bro? What if I'm a fucking sleeper agent, diba?
Bro, you can't be a sleeper agent. You're
Yeah,
just
that's
sleeping all
what-
the time.
exactly.
You're just sleeping all the time.
No, bro. Tangina, ibang sleeper agent all the time. Yes. I sleep all the time, bro. Like, naano ko lang yung sa My Way, you know? Like, a meme popped up. Like, men hear this song and they be like, wanna kill each other, man. What if yun yung like, what if yung next bio warfare or bio weapon? It's not,
My
it's not,
Way.
no, it's not a virus. Oh nga, it's not a virus. What if it's a certain frequency, you know? Like, alam mo yung 28 weeks later or 20, or whatever, fucking, basta yung weeks
Meron
in.
yun sa Ay, hindi nyo pa
Wait lang,
napapanood.
naging movie na ba yan? Am I talking out of my ass? Or has there been a story about that?
Yeah, meron 28
Na-
days later pero
No,
zombie
hindi.
movie siya.
Yeah, oo, pero like yung trigger factor nung nung
Frequency
pagka-aggressive.
meron na.
Oh,
meron na.
ano yun?
Bago lang sa Captain America eh.
What the fuck?
Huh? Captain America.
What
Yeah.
the fuck?
Oh, yeah. Yung may mga frequency
New
na
World,
gano'n.
the
New
New
World, yeah.
World.
There's,
What the? I never even watched that shit yet.
well,
Ayun nga.
spoiler alert.
Ano yun?
Alam ko frequency shit, Kingsman.
Oh, yun. Kingsman
Pinagbubugan
din.
lahat
Oh,
sa-
Galing.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Kingsman.
Oh, yeah, so okay. Siguro doon ko nakuha. Doon ko siguro
Galing,
nakuha.
galing.
Kami kayo
yeah,
ng libreng
Kingsman.
sim tapos
I'm still salty about that part. Napanood niyo yung latest Kingsman? Yung ano yun?
Yung,
there was a-
yung World War I? O yung Golden Circle?
no.
May mas bago?
No. May
Alam ko, dalawang movie lang yun ah.
Di ba? Yung
there
puro
was this
Kingsman.
cowboy guy.
Oh, yeah, Golden
Yung cowboys,
Circle. Golden
okay.
Circle.
So,
yeah.
Golden Circle, there was this guy, like, he was such a fucking Chad na cowboy.
Ay,
diba?
Golden Circle, taga
Hindi si
na.
Channing Tatum, yung isa nilang,
Pedro Pascal.
kasama. Okay, si Pedro
Si
Pascal.
yung may bigote.
I feel like that was the saltiest fucking battle para sa akin.
I don't want
Like,
him to
I feel
die.
like, exactly, para sa akin, Pedro Pascal could have 1v2'd those guys easy. Yung sino yun? The
Eggsy,
British
tsaka
guys.
si Eggsy.
Yeah, anyway,
Oo,
those
ano
British,
eh.
like, for some, I don't know how he got beat. And then, sayang ako dun. Hanggang ngayon, parang sobrang salty ako dun sa pagkamatay niya.
Plot
Like,
armor, bro.
yeah, I know, but he could have been the best. I don't know, man. Like, sayang na naging villain siya. Pero okay lang naman naging villain siya, pero he lost like just like that. Na minute grinder siya. I'm just saying na parang siguro if it was a 2v2, like, British guys would have lost. Like,
Not gonna
easy-
lie,
easy
I
crap.
would have sympathized with that guy.
Ano bang nangyari doon?
Kaya lang naman kaya ginawa yun kasi 'di ba yung kanyang asawa got killed by a drug addict and
Oh,
he's just
yeah!
anti-drugs. And the whole
Oo.
aspect of that is that whole aspect of that movie is anti-drugs talaga.
Tapos, and then, I don't know, why did they fight? Okay.
Oh, why
Why
did
did they fight? Why did they
Gusto niya
fight?
yun,
Gusto niyang, ano ba yung, what was he trying to stop there? Yung
It's
si
tr-
Pedro ba?
they're trying to stop the two British agents to like pigilan yung parang nila, yung parang masamang plano
Virus
nila.
ulit eh. Oh, may
Kasi
virus ulit ata.
kasi parang magbibigyan parang yung vaccine hold ng mga kasi yung lahat ng droga na sinend ng bad guys. It's like spike with special virus na
Ay,
mapaparalyze
ay, ay,
ka tapos mamatay ka.
Oh.
And then
Okay.
X is trying to like get those vaccines to the people.
Okay.
Ayaw ni Pedro
Tapos
Pascal.
sila may hawak.
Pero si Pedro Pascal, may galit lang talaga sa mundo.
May galit lang talaga sa mga drug users.
Takina.
I kind of hate the
Stop spoiling
message
it,
though.
bro.
I kind of hate the
Puta,
message
I don't
though.
even watch it yet. What the fuck are you guys talking about?
Ah, fuck, wala na.
No, wala na.
You should have told us bago pa kami
Fine,
nag-
I don't give a fuck.
nagkwento.
I kind
That was the best one though.
I kind of hate the message that they're trying to portray here. Like fucking parang sinasabi ng movie na yun, like drugs is actually okay. It's
Was it?
within reason. Parang yun yung message na binabato sa akin eh.
Was it? Yun ba yung ano niya?
Yeah.
I was just vibing with Freebird.
That's the first one.
What's the first ba yun?
Yeah, that was the first one. Yeah, first one yun.
No.
First one.
What
First
the
one.
fuck? Di nila play yun dun sa second
No,
one?
no,
Sa
no.
Golden. I swear to God, they were like playing that nung boss fight ni Pedro Pascal at ni ano. Damn, bro, namamandela effects na ako. Holy shit. God damn, bro.
Maybe you're in another universe.
Maybe I was in another universe. We should one of these podcasts sa future, we should do, di ba sinabi ko yata sometime na gagawa tayo ng parang movie club. Like the viewers will suggest a certain movie na
Tas we're gonna watch it?
Oo, papanoorin natin lahat or papanoorin ng isa. Papanoorin ng isa or sige, let's say papanoorin ng isa or ng lahat. And then at least one of us will try to explain what that movie was about,
Parang summary.
Oh, like they will summarize it. Okay.
Summarize lang.
They have to watch the whole movie, okay? Hindi summary sa YouTube. Hindi 5 minute, 10 minute. I know,
Yeah, bro, we're not
I know you,
doing
John.
Recap, bro.
I know you, John. Okay, don't do that, please. Don't do
I
that.
will do that, bro.
Don't do that, please.
It's the only way.
I would like it has to be a movie rin pala na yung mag-explain. It has to be someone who hasn't watched that movie. Okay.
Sana maganda din, no?
Tama ba?
Exactly. In that case, yan,
Mga,
Mas-
mga
Ako
movie
na,
na masuggest,
panoorin ko.
mga Inception, mga ganun.
Exactly. It has to be a way na parang para sa akin, I think it's like a good way to get cultured with certain media. So, I have movies that I haven't watched yet na napanood nyo na. There are movies na kayo rin hindi nyo pa napapanood. And I'm kind of curious. Maybe people will be curious as to what our take is during that sa mga movies na yan. And let's do that next time. And then tingnan natin na maybe we can explore books.
Books?
Book club.
What the fuck?
Hey man, like
I cannot.
I cannot,
not.
bro.
It's not
I
like
cannot.
a thing we're gonna do. Like, para subukan lang. Like if hey viewers, if you guys are interested in that,
If you
watch
can
out.
read a book, may mga audio books.
Yeah, yung ginagawa ko yung
Audiobooks is
ginagawa ko.
fine. Audiobooks is fine. Kasi
Okay.
ang daming mga books dyan, ang ganda ng story, pero wala pa silang like movie adaptation, wala pa silang any kind of other media adaptation. Other than, of course, the audiobook. Ginagawa ko rin yun audiobooks bago matulog nung college kasi mandatory yung mga, yung book reports and shit like that. So good. Like I always choose like yung narrator na British. Para feel ko yung narration.
Goddamn.
So good, bro. So good. Yeah, yun. PR peeps, PR viewers or listeners, like, if you guys are into that, let us know. I'm open for that one.
The only books that I've been listening to is Puro Warhammer recently, but I haven't.
Warhammer.
Yeah, it's all Puro Warhammer yung yeah, books.
Have you guys done a book report at
No,
all?
no.
Yung school?
I mean,
No.
yeah, sa school.
Wala,
yeah,
di kayo
yeah.
pinagawa
Sa
sa
school, yeah,
literature?
yeah,
Hindi.
yeah.
Okay,
we
what
did.
was your book? What was your book? What was the book you did a report on?
To be honest, not gonna lie, I don't remember anymore.
Putang.
It's not something that I remind.
Hindi, binasa nyo yung libro nyo.
Yeah, but nakalimutan ko na.
Like, kahit ano, let's say for example, kahit hindi nyo maalala yung title, how about just the story of it? Baka mahulaan ko.
Ano ba, Ibong Adarna? What the fuck?
Yeah, parang ganun.
I mean, yun ba yung...
I mean, taka na, ang dami nun. It's within 4
Ay,
ano yun.
dati. Book ba yun?
Ay,
Basta
ikaw.
movie ata pinanood namin nun, tapos yun yung report eh.
Hindi ka nag-book report, like literature?
Hindi,
Ken,
pero
on
hindi.
your part?
Pang ano pang
Pinano
bullshit.
na kami. Mandatory papanood mo yung Ibon Adarna, tapos bibigyan mo ng report. Ang inang yan.
I don't even remember the story. Bro.
I don't even remember the story.
I don't
ng Ibong
even-
Adarna.
Yun na yung first
I only know the short version ng Ibon Adarna, pero yung parang yung mismong libro talaga. Every time na i-discuss yun sa Filipino subject na tanga na tutulog ako.
Ang naalala ko lang si Ibong Adarna, correct me if I'm wrong. Okay. Ang TLDR is si Ibong Adarna, yung manok, may tears siya. Like, parang may philosopher's stone siya, 'di ba? That can cure or give a huge amount of wealth. Parang ganun on that side.
Nagiging gold?
No.
Hindi ko alam. Basta there's something about her tears.
I remember the tears just like heal people.
Bro,
Because
this is Harry
okay.
Potter, bro.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Let's just say
Phoenix.
parang philosopher's stone siya, okay? So, next, yung king, sabi na may tatlo siyang anak, si Jose, si Wally, tapos si
Bayola.
si Pedro. Hindi ko na paalala yung mga pangalan nila. Okay? Basta si Jose, si Wally, tapos si
Saan
Bayola.
Si Bayola.
Okay.
Tama.
si Bayola yung bida.
So si Jose, siya yung una, siya yung pinakamatanda. So si Jose parang pinuntahan si Ibong Adarna. Gusto niyang parang patayin or something, I don't know. Basta yung tatlong yun may kanya-kanyang diskarte siya.
Hindi kasi patayin eh.
Ano?
The catch is pag nakanta ka, tutulog ka. Tapos pag naiputan ka na yung bungadar na magiging bato ka.
Bato ka. Oh,
yeah, that's true.
Dude, what the fuck? You know what? What kind of
Hindi ko
creature
na
does
malala
that, Chris?
Ano?
A cockatrice.
Medusa.
A cockatrice.
I don't know what the fuck is a cockatrice.
Ay, hindi. Basilisk.
Basilisk, yung pagtumingin.
Oh, di ba? Like a basilisk is like a half chicken,
The lizard?
half fucking lizard.
Si
Damn!
Medusa.
Puta, hindi. Gorgon yun, bro. Fuck, holy shit.
Basilisk is
Dungeon mesh.
It's a lizard. Nandun din sa sa Overlord.
It's a fantasy creature. Oh, gago. It's a fantasy creature. Di ko lang alam kung saan ang mythology. Pero damn! To think na may powers yung Ibong Adarna ng ganun. So, baka siya. Baka inspired siya by the basilisk. But yeah, so pag naiputan ka, naalala ko yun yung Turn to Stone. Yung Lullaby, di ko alam. I don't know about that one. But anyway, si Jose, he failed. I don't know if he turned into stone or napatulog siya.
Yeah, he did.
Tapos he did?
Yeah.
Kasi si Wally, may parang ginawa siya, yung pangalawang anak, may parang bowl siya na ginamit, and then it fucking failed, and then he either turned to stone or turned to sleep. Now, si Bayola. Bayola, being the fucking Rizman Chad that he is, he was like, he looked at the Ibong Adarna and be like, damn, the chicken looked kind of good.
Oh, no.
He was like that, right? He was
What
like
the
that,
chicken,
right?
bro?
I don't
He was
remember
like
this
that,
version.
right? Mali ba?
Iba ata pinapanood mo
This is some
Bro,
erotic
pero
version
gano'n
of
ko lang malala
Ibong
yung
Adarna that I
Adarna.
don't.
Alternate
No, bro,
version.
he rizzed the shit out of Ibong Adarna.
Either way, he succeeded.
He succeeded. Okay, he got the
Yeah, bro, the riz.
Adarnusi, bro. And then ayun na, nakuha niya na yung Damn, our stories are actually pretty good. Yung mga natin, mga epic.
Mythology natin.
I don't think that's the,
So
the
dumb.
whole story. Whatever.
That's how I remember it. Okay, basta yung isang anak, he rizzed the chicken and then got the girl in the end.
Ano nga yung
Damn,
ano nga
it's all
yung
about the risk, man.
It's all about the risk.
Ano nga yung
Kaya
apat na
puro
librong yun?
pag-ibig yung eh.
ano yung apat na librong
Ibong
yun?
Adarna.
Ibong Adarna, Florante at Laura.
Florante at Laura.
I don't know the story of Florante at Laura. I literally slept the whole time.
Basilio, Crispin at Basilio.
No.
El Filibusterismo no, limitang hero. Pero yung Florante at Laura, I do not do not know the story of that. Shit.
Ako rin, nakalimutan ko na yung
Jose
Florante at
Rizal.
Laura. Hindi, we're talking about yung yung mga myths. Hindi yung mga libro ni
Wala pa
Rizal.
yung Rizal, wala pa.
Enteng
Meron pa
Cabezote.
yun eh. Putang ina, what the fuck?
What the fuck, man?
Florante at Laura, we
Tikbalang.
Hindi, you're just spouting random fucking
Yeah. Nag-high school ka ba?
Nanguhula ako.
Nag-high school ka ba? Utang ina mo.
Damn, bro.
What the fuck, high
Whoa.
school niyo yan?
Puta naman trata yun eh.
Binubuli.
Yeah,
high school yan.
I remember.
Dahil binubuli nung high school,
Why-
hindi ko alam.
Ba't ka nagtutrauma dump?
Oh, shit.
Ano? Sinabi lang naman, tinanong ka lang naman kung nag-high school ka ba? Ba't napunta sa bully? Ganyan ka ba sa 7-Eleven?
At 7-Eleven?
Wala.
Uy, tangina, ganyan ako sa
Putang
7-Eleven.
ina, hindi niya na maalala.
Hindi niya alam.
Recording
Hindi
natin
niya
sa
alam.
repo.
Sa repo, guys. So, pag sabihin, hindi niya na-enjoy kasi hindi niya
Hindi
naalala.
na yung high school niya. Oh, man. So, yeah, stories,
7-Eleven.
movies. Shut the fuck up with the 7-Eleven. It's gone.
Hindi ko
done.
alam.
Yung nagrepo tayo, tapos
Nagrepo
sinigaw ni Chris,
tayo.
ganyan ka ba may naano kasi kami, guys. May
Ako rin ba sinabihan?
Oo. I learned a new trash talk towards people. Okay. Courtesy of Chris. Naglalaro kami ng repo. And as usual, everyone was just fucking around. And Chris was like, ano yung sinabi mo?
Puta na ganyan
Ganyan.
ba kayo sa 7-Eleven?
Ganyan ba kayo? Para siya yung
Trash
ano,
talk
para
yan.
siya yung parang version ni Chris ng ganyan ka ba pinalaki ng mama mo, parang ganun. And I'm like, damn, that hit kind of different. Eh, ganyan ka ba putang ina.
Ganyan ka ba pinalaki?
Ganyan, hindi, ganyan ka ba sa 7-Eleven?
Ah,
Like,
ganyan
basta
ba
yun
sa-
na yun. Okay. Gets na yun.
Okay.
So I will unironically use that next time. Okay, if someone is being a little shit. But ayun. So guys, what have you been craving for lately? You know,
Well, like craving. What do you mean?
like
What do you mean by craving?
food, bro?
Puta ina.
Lately, I do be craving salmon sashimi. I don't know why. Like there's just something like it's the algorithm, bro. Wait lang, you keep saying it's disgusting, bro. Like why do you hate sashimi so much?
Bro, yung papanood kasi ako noon okay.
Oh,
Puno
ano
ng
na?
ano yung ano niya, yung bloodstream niya.
Ng worms.
Ng
Yes.
worms? Tapeworms?
Like valid, pero that's because he probably cut his own fish. Or baka freshwater fish yung kinainan niya. You know, there's a lot of factors that goes into getting parasites into your body, bro.
So, yung kakainin mo ngayon, may parasites talaga yun. You just
I mean,
wish your body kills the parasites dun sa
Yeah.
acid na stomach mo.
pretty much.
So ano lang yan?
I mean,
So patibayan na lang ng sikmura, ganun.
not really.
Patibayan ng ano.
I mean, that's why you buy from
Immune system.
legit sources, bro. You just don't eat something na hindi mo alam kung saan galing. Pero still, I agree. Gotcha pa rin naman pag kumakain ka ng sashimi. But, I mean, come on, bro. I would take the chance.
Ito na lang
kasi
gawin
di
mo,
na
di ba?
kumain ng luto?
Di ba umorder ka ng sashimi?
Yeah.
Luto na lang natin. Iprituin na lang natin.
Lutuin na lang.
Steak ang poke na kina. I do that.
Bakit? Ba't di na lang lutuin?
Kasi iba yung lasa niya, okay?
Pero yung kumain na tayo, di ba, sa Japan,
Oh.
mas masarap yung seared eh.
I mean,
Para
true,
sa akin.
pero may pagkaano pa rin naman siya. May, yung, para siyang medium rare, yung seared. Yeah. It's the same thing with fucking steak, Neil. No, if you order medium rare, medyo raw pa rin naman yung ano niya, yung loob.
At
So,
least
lang
medyo
yun.
luto na.
Yeah, pero still, you're still eating raw meat. Yeah, so
Nalala ko tayo
that's
sinabi ni
not
Gia,
really raw.
ni Lilan,
Ano?
pataka na.
Ano
Pagdating
sinabi
mo
ni
na
Lilan?
lang yung baka.
That's true! No, that's true!
Kagatan mo na.
Wala
Manila.
problema
Pagkain mo na yung
doon!
baka.
I'm not kidding. You just take a bite out of
Bite
the
ba?
fucking Klaus ass.
Damn.
Ito,
it was
tanong
still-
sa inyo.
Oh.
Ano ba yung ulam na nagtatapos sa do?
Sa
Do?
do?
Marami.
Oo.
Champurado.
Adobo.
Adobo.
Grabe. Di mo na ulam champurado po. Iba talaga mayaman.
Bro,
Champurado.
gagi, hindi ko
Champurado.
naisip yan.
Mayaman
Kasi
ka
may
kasi.
sumagot.
Putang na, may luma,
Apritado
kinakain ko eh.
Apritado. Tarantado. Holy shit, you made me crave for champurado, bro.
Champurado is
Sige,
good,
ano
bro.
pa?
We
Ano
should
pa?
make-
Kasi di ba naisip nyo una adobo eh.
Adodo.
Adodo.
Tap there. Okay, sige, champurado. Ano pa? Champurado.
Menudo.
Uy!
Uy,
Oh,
Pinaydol,
shit.
minudo.
Oh shit!
Oh shit.
Top
Okay.
answer, bro.
That is the top
Minuto.
answer, bro. That's
Wait,
the-
meron pa yan. Meron pa yan.
Family feud right now.
Lalabas ba ang menudo?
Mechado.
Oh,
my
machado.
fucking God.
Tama.
I am losing, bro. Wait lang.
Wala ka pa ako naisip.
I swear, there's a food that starts with letter C and ends with do.
Champurado.
Hindi. Hindi, okay. Hindi. What the fuck? Is there a food named Cortado?
Wala.
What the fuck? Never.
Cortana, meron.
Nag-search ako. Wala search yan.
Wala.
Hands off, bro. Bro, my hands are...
Thinking, bro.
Menudo sa
Wala
top
ako.
answer.
Putang
Wala
ina
lang
lang ako
maisip.
maisip.
Teka lang, ba't mo ba naisip tong
Quadrado,
topic na to,
bro.
Neil? Napanood mo ba to sa ano?
Nakita ko lang.
Putang ina mo.
Pati nga yata sa newsfeed niya.
Quadrado. Cortado.
Kwadrado.
Parang-
Ano yun?
Thinking of a fish, bro. Ayoko na. Putang ina.
Okay na.
done.
Menudo champurado is the answer.
The
Menudo
starters.
and champurado. Damn.
Dami pala eh. Nung
Embutido.
search ko, lumabas nagpalaro
Sino?
sila Wally tsaka si
Bubblegum.
Jose. Oo. Sinabi
Pag
sinabi
bumalik
ko
tayo
sa
kay Wally at Jose,
embutido.
putang ina.
Embutido.
Oh shit! Ayun, embutido.
Hamonado,
Yeah.
mechado,
I swear to God, there's like a
arsyado,
Champurado.
sarsyado yata.
minudo, gisado,
Gisado.
Ah, yung gisado. Puta.
arroz caldo,
Ay,
champurado.
oh.
Tang ina, arroz caldo.
Dami pala eh.
How could I
Ito, bobo ko.
forget about that, bro?
Fuck, man.
And
Malapit na sa Champorado, idol. Hindi mo na ano.
arroz caldo, bro.
Tanong ko lang.
Ano pa bang cravings nyo?
Hindi ganun kadami kasi yung words.
Iba kasi cravings ko eh.
Ano ko yun?
activities
Yo!
natin.
Oh,
No?
shit. What is your crave?
Ano?
No, you haven't.
Mag-activities naman tayo.
Ano?
Can we do that? Activities. Putalas natin. Gala natin na sa bull pa. Like,
What
talaga
okay,
activities.
okay, Ken, what do you want to do?
Gago, huling gala
Oh,
natin,
fucking
tarlak
no.
pa, gago.
What do you want to do, bro? What do you want to do? What do you want to do?
Nung huli natin bowling sa sa SM North.
Halos packet throw, bowling pala, tsaka karting.
I mean, what do you
Rod
want to
ka
do,
na na.
Ken?
What I wanna do? I don't know. Kailan lang,
What do you
sino
wanna
rin suggest ng
Ituloy
camping?
natin yung inaano ni Khalil.
Sino ba yung suggest ng camping?
Eh di ituloy natin yung sinasuggest ni Khalil.
Yun nga, yung camping.
Camping ba yun?
Gago, wag tayo mag-camping,
Ano ba?
masabak yung mukha natin.
Wait lang, you guys keep talking.
Sino minumura mo?
Nandito na yung sashimi ko.
Yung bundok.
Puta, dyan na doon yung sashimi niya, pre. Puta na kayo doon. Kuha na kayo.
Nah, bro, fuck that.
Pre, yung pagkakasabi niya kasi,
Oh.
parang papiloso po.
Yes.
Yung bundok.
Sinapak. Tangina. Ang sakit na, full portion, pre.
Mahirap kasi mapag.
Kaya ang hirap tuloy kung sino
Sa bagong
ano,
gising.
ang hirap tuloy humanap ng kakampi doon, no? Kung sino kakampihan mo.
Balik kasi pagkakabing rin eh.
Feel ko yung lalaki kasi baka parang sa side niya, sa utak niya, binabastos, pinipiloso po ako ng hayop na to. Pero doon
binabastos
naman
na
sa
ako.
nagsasabi lang siya ng totoo.
Pero piniloso po niya.
Hindi
Tama, piniloso po niya. Ano?
Yeah, sinabi niya ng maayos. Like, hindi
Ang
po yung
naisip ko lang
bundok
kasi
po.
sa ganun eh. Ang naisip ko lang sa kanya
Depende
sa
sa
ganun,
wording.
alam mo yung kasabihan ni Mike Tyson, yung sinasabi niya. Yung internet daw made everyone, ano.
Stupid.
No, like yung mga
hindi,
magsasabi ng
matapang.
talk shit, tapos hindi natatakot na masapak sa mukha, alam mo yun.
Oh, shit.
Oh, yeah,
Made
yeah.
everyone
Makes sense,
comfortable
oh.
doing that shit, alam mo yun.
Yung mga nasa
I don't
dami
know, bro.
account.
I don't know, ang hirap, I mean, ngayon, naging soft na kasi yung mga tao is like, you can't do that shit anymore. Pwede ka na makasuhan in shit, but it just sucks.
It just sucks.
It just sucks, bro.
Do you miss something, Vanilla? Do you miss brawling people?
Brawling people. Samahan ng tingin mo ah.
Nakakalalaki ka, putang ina mo.
Putang ina mo ah.
Yeah, but
Mga ganang moments
that's just
nun.
plain stupid, bro. It's like, ano,
Ang masarap.
may tawag sa ganun eh.
Ang masarap kaway, bonjing eh. Yun ang alam mo, di maalam may pagsuntukan eh.
What the fuck?
I remember my high school ako. Puta, naiinis ako. May isang nangaano sa akin na lalaki. Putang ina, gusto ko baratan pero di ko mabarata kasi alam kong marami sila. Like yung mga tagita may ano yun eh, parang mga kaibigan niya. Parang pag ginulpi mo yun, puta, yari ka na doon sa lahat. So, it's fucked up.
Crush ka nun, sa totoo lang.
What's going on, bro? Ba't bugbugan na yun?
Bugbugan sa camping.
Ginulpi, ano yan? What's going on?
Wala, we're just
Diba,
talking about...
kasi ni Ken camping, and sabi ko, huwag tayo mag-camping kasi baka masapak tayo sa mukha.
Oh, bro, I wanna go there, bro. I wanna go.
Ano, nag-inquire sila doon, di ba?
Tayo na gusto ko pumunta doon. I wanna go there, bro. Doon sa, yung...
Saan nga yun? Saan nga yun? Sa Laguna ba yun?
Somewhere Rizal.
O Rizal ba? Di ko alam.
Close enough. Pero, yun, like, sa mga hindi nakakalam, it's a viral video of a camper na she had an argument with the staff. Kasi, ano daw, like 6 a.m. na. Ay, sorry, 6 a.m. pa lang. Sumisigaw siya. Sinisigawan niya yung mountain na,
Baka manok siya.
okay, para siyang, okay. Basta ganun. And then,
Parang siyang manok.
dumating, it's so funny. dumating yung staff.
Yeah,
Nasa pinagsinusuway siya. Tinatanong siya, sino, wag kayo nagmumura, wag kayo nagsasigaw na nagmumura, gano'n. Tinanong niya yung yung bakla. Sino ba kasi yung sinisigawan mo? Sino minumura mo? Sabi ng bakla,
Yung bundok.
Yung bundok.
Putang ina, may kasunod na.
Yung staff, boom! Gago ka pala eh! Pinagago mo ba? Okay. Alam mo yung kinakausap ka ng parents mo, sinasaway ka ng parents mo, tinanong ka, ba't mo ginawa yun? Tapos piniloso mo siya yung parents mo. Piloso ba kayo? Ganun yung feeling ko eh. Parang kinaltokan mo yung anak mo.
I don't know, papasikat ka sa friendship, okay na, just say sorry, bro! Just apologize! What the fuck?
Ito. Like,
Yeah, just apologize, you know?
This is just my take on the thing.
Sa boses pa lang kasi nung lalaki, alam mo nang galit, pero piniloso po niya pa. Yun yung mali eh.
Nakasar din kasi yung boses eh. Masisi mo.
Yung bundok.
Kahit ako yung nandun sa situation na yun, baka yun na mangyari. Masampig ako yun eh.
Like, there's so many factors. There's just so many factors playing in that scene. Na parang I don't know who to sympathize with. Pero I just want to say, okay, I just want to say out, say it straight up na mali yung ginawa ng staff.
Mali din yung ginawa ng ano.
Under any circumstances, hindi ka pwede manakit ng guest, okay? But at the same time, it was just so fucking funny. Okay, yung nangyari. Kasi isipin mo, bro. Like, most of the time, you want to go camping. To unwind, to relax.
Yeah.
Okay. Ewan ko lang kung inano nila, kung rent out nila yung buong lugar, like if it was like a private thing, sila lang. Pero I do not want to hear someone screaming at 5 or 6 a.m. na sa campsite.
Nagmumura.
Diba? At lalo na nagmumura. Okay. And ang dami na rin mga veteranong campers na nagsabi na mali yung ginawa rin nung group na nagrabyado.
Yeah.
Kasi sagrado daw, yung mountains daw sagrado yan, dapat hindi mo minumura. And I think the only reason why na sinisigawan o minumura mo yung mga mountains is nakikita kasi natin yan sa movies. Okay? Yung mga Catherine Bernal na mga movies na parang sinisigawan yung Catherine Bernal ba yun? Basta there was like this
Doesn't matter, bro.
Basta
Everyone does that shit.
Everyone does that shit sa mga movies, okay? Na may break up, tapos isisigaw nila lahat ng problema nila sa bundok. Yun din yung sinasabi ng bakla na para, ang laki ng binayad ko dito para sigawan niyo, putang ina ng bundok na yan kasi may mga pinagdadaanan ako. Ganun siya, di ba?
Yeah, ganun siya. Nag-hysterical na
like,
siya.
holy fuck, I don't want that. I don't want that with ayoko maging campmate yung ganung tao. Okay? I don't want anyone shouting at fucking 6 a.m.
Alarm clock.
That will ruin everything for me. Okay, yung yung serenity.
Pwede naman unless gusto niya masapak sa
okay lang naman.
Bro got factory reset for like 5 seconds.
Gago. Putang ina. Factory reset.
Alam mo yung may meme ni dalawang bata. Sinusumbong siya ng kapatid niya, yung sinapak sa ganun siya.
Oo, gago siya. Putang ina.
Couldn't believe that shit.
Malaki na sila ngayon eh. May loading pa sa utak eh.
Oh my god, I made a reference to that dun sa Train to Busan Dam ko. Si Bukoy or oh man, I remember it's coming back to me now. Medyo shit na rin, medyo shit kasi ngayon yung camping community. Ang dami ko nakikita kasi I follow a lot of groups ng camping
community.
There's such thing.
There's a camping community now here in the Philippines and
damn.
It's kind of bad, bro, yung situation ng camping dito kasi naging mainstream kasi yung camping due to like vloggers doing their own camping. Lalo na yung ano ba yung camper dito na sikat, yung mga Gioong type or alam ni nila yan. Anyway, so it got mainstreamed I think 2 or 3 years ago, lalo na after pandemic. Everyone just wanted to go out, so ang daming mga misconceptions or misnomers when it comes to camping. For example, ang kadalasan na rinereklamo ng mga tao ngayon is ang dami daw campers na ang iingay, like nagdadala ng karaoke, nagpapatugtog or nagbablast ng mga music nila, which is that defeats the whole fucking
camping purpose
of camping. So parang nagiging squammy camping daw yun, ang dami na daw squammy camping. And ang daming bumibili ng mga pick-up, tapos para lang daw makapag-camping outdoors, pero ganun daw yung mga ugali. So, like, I'm just adding to my propaganda against like yung mga SUV drivers at mga nagbumibili ng pickup just for that shit. So, there's a pattern na going on, okay? Na iba nagkakamping-kampingan lang. And then
Damn, puta, but why?
And then
why though?
Ito mang malala, since naging mainstream yung camping, yung mga campgrounds, tinaasan na rin na yung price. So most of the mainstream campsites, para lang mag-camp ka doon, presyong 5-star hotel na.
Oh my god.
So I'm actually because before all that happened, nakapag-camping pa tayo dun sa Zambales, 'di ba? I'm actually afraid to see kung tumaas na rin yung presyo nung doon, nung pag-camp doon. Kasi doon ang mura lang, 'di ba? Like probably like 1,000 pesos lang, we got the tent and everything. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if it's like triple the price now that people are starting to get into camping. Oo. Ano pang nauso? Yung pagtambay sa mga ang tawag doon pagtambay sa mga parking lot. Okay. Alam, ginagawa natin yun, di ba? Ginagawa natin yun. We camp out sa mga parking lots. Pero there are some people who take it further and beyond with
Ano ginagawa nila?
sa pagtambay doon. Wala, literally, paminsan nagluluto, paminsan yun,
What the
nag-blasting
fuck? That's
music
the next
din.
level shit.
Diba? Basta ginagawa nilang free campsite yung mga parking lots. So that's there was a problem
would
din
do that?
with a certain with a certain parking lot na binawal na nila yung pagtambay ng mga
Oh, fuck.
kotse.
That's
Yeah.
crazy, bro.
It is. Yeah, I like that response, bro. I like that response. Ganyan. That's what I
Ikaw
like.
na nakakita
crazy,
ng ganun. Nakita
Yung magluluto
nagluluto.
ang puta.
Nakita ko, may dalas lang lifetime table. Tapos bibili sila sa mga...
magpipiknik.
mga,
Oh, yeah,
ano,
that's
ganun.
fine.
Tapos doon sila
That's okay.
kumakain.
Yeah, that's nice.
Doon magluto.
Yeah,
Tayo,
bro.
pag-
They fucking literally camped out
Pagkain
there,
pa dun.
bro.
No. May pwede itong gawin sa ganyan eh. Alam mo yung lutuan natin dati? Yung gasol, yung gas.
Oh, yeah.
Butane?
Nga,
You should
yun
do
nga
that, bro.
gawin.
So maglalagay tayo ng...
Sinasabi ko nga sa'yo, wag natin gagawin sa parking lot.
Ay, wow.
Wag natin gagawin sa parking
bad.
lot. Tamang tambay lang.
Wala, gagawin natin
yun yung nangyari. Yun yung ginagawa sa mga So yeah.
I think
it's crazy, bro.
people should just mind their own business, bro.
There's no problem with that. I agree. However, if your business actually affects the people around you, then
What the fuck?
I think
fuck, Chris?
I think people should face the consequence, bro. Putang ina, pag alam ba, nag-camping tayo, tas putang ina may nagkakaraoke sa kabila, alas 10 na ng gabi. Nag-ano pa rin sila na nagkakaraoke, nagbablast na mga kung anong kabaduyan na music. Mind your own business pa rin. Nah, bro. They gotta get it, bro. They gotta get what's coming to them. So yun. So hopefully on our next camping trip, di tayo ma-RNG sa mga squammy campers. Yun, that's it. Yun lang naman.
I mean, next camping trip or yung camping natin, glamping natin, yun na yung
Gamping
first
yata yung last natin eh.
Yeah, I mean, kaya nga sa next. If
Oh,
ever
sa next.
we
Tama.
do,
Ah,
if
true.
ever we do go camping in the near future, which we will. Okay, which we will. Akong bahala ulit dyan, okay? I will
Damn.
I'll organize another one, okay? Siyempre, pabor sa akin. May fishing doon. Kaya abangan nyo na lang.
Tangin ng Vanilla to.
What are you guys fucking doing in Discord, bro?
We're just clicking stuff.
Si Neil din eh. Like, I think he's somewhere else right now, bro.
Hindi, di ba may ano tayo kahapon?
May ano. Oh, sige.
Nung
Sige nga.
mag-shoot tayo. So,
Save it.
need ko lang ng
Ano ba sinut nyo kahapon?
something guide.
If you don't mind me asking.
We did a shoot for HOK.
It's okay.
Actually, you know
Oh,
what?
Honor of
You know what?
Kings.
That was so weird, bro. Takina. First time kong naka-cosplay ako in public and then just shooting, bro. It was pretty chill. Kasi chill din yung place na pinunta namin eh.
Oh, damn.
Pero like, ano, what's your take on that, Neil? Like, how did it feel? How did it feel, bro?
Putang ina, ngayon lang ulit ako nahiya. Pero,
Oh, shit. Di ko pala...
pero,
Hindi
na nahiya.
Mahiya ka pala?
So lahat ng katarantaduhan mo before di ka pa nahiya nun.
Hindi, like, dati lang ako talaga hiya. Pero ngayon, nung hindi ko na siya ginagawa kasi, like, ngayon lang ulit, parang,
Nabigla. Nabigla
nahiya
lang
ng
yan.
konti, oo. Pero nung, di ba nga, yung, nung parang nag-video na, so nilabas ko na ulit yung, ko,
Yung
wala
kulit mo.
akong hiya. Oo. Pero nabababa yung pants ko, tapos may nakatingin na tao. Kasi kung iisipin ko yun, hindi ako makakaano.
For those listening, like literally naka full on cosplay kami ni Neil, ni King FB ng isang skin
Tatlo kayo? Oh,
from,
shit.
from HOK. And yung costume pa ni Neil is yung pambabae.
Oh, damn.
Like yung character na kino-cosplay niya was like a female character.
Red can't be that high, bro.
It is though. It is though. That's the problem, bro. It is. It was a fun, though. It was a fun, very chill shoot.
I love
Pero
that
parang
meme, though.
ang weird pa rin. And all the trouble that came with it. Like feeling ko yun yung I found a new respect towards cosplayers doing shoots. Kasi ang hirap mag-shoot ng multiple locations with the same costume. Kasi tatanggalin mo, babalik mo ulit, and then tatanggalin mo, babalik mo yung init-init ng panahon ngayon, putang ina.
Oh yeah, sobrang
And
init
then-
ngayon, no?
Sobrang
Init
init
nga
ngayon. Dude, like, seriously, my aircon can barely keep up with how hot it is. right
Yeah, exactly. Nakatenda nga yung aircon ko dito.
Tambay ka na
Hindi
dito.
na malamig eh.
Lamig dito eh, nanginginig na nga ang itlog ko.
Buti pa sa'yo. Sa akin, damn bro. I don't
Maybe
know
the
what
earth is
happened.
fucked now. Okay?
It is
Maybe
fucked, bro.
It
need
is
some
fucked,
cleaning, bro.
Maybe the earth needs some cleaning, bro.
Earth needs
Of humans.
better people. Okay?
Damn, bro. Like, may mga ano ba kayo? May mga other than our plans? Like, do you guys have any personal plans to go somewhere?
No, not
Like,
really.
This
Not
month?
really.
As
So,
much as...
ni Ken lumabas kanina, di nyo nasagot eh.
Ay,
Akala ko pinag-usapan nyo na yun habang wala ako.
Taka na.
Bro,
really.
we gotta
Hindi,
think.
okay,
so what
natin
what
pag-iisipan ako yun.
So Ken, what do you crave other than yung obviously camping is
Camping,
something
yeah.
Wait, is that something you crave for? Is there
Not
anything
really,
what
not
was
really.
on your what was on your mind when you said na ano ba yung kina-crave mo? Zero, like probably meron ka ng parang nasa isip nun na you know what, maybe we should try this or maybe try that. What was it, Ken?
I'm thinking. Wait lang. Wala akong naisip na at that time. I don't fucking know, bro.
Like nothing.
I don't know kasi yung tiray natin yung nasa tag doon yung sa ball. It made my heart beating so fast po. Parang in a way parang I'm craving it. The extreme shit.
Holy shit, Ken! Awakening
beating
his
so fast, bro.
adrenaline
Awakening, bro.
junkie. Holy shit!
Takin na lalo na yung pamumumpa gano'n. Puta kinag.
I'll never do something like that again.
Not gonna lie, I might try bungee jumping somewhere. I don't know where.
Puta
though.
bungee jumping, bro.
Bungee jumping. Cliff diving, gusto mo?
Sure.
A lot of... puta, era din.
Ang gusto ko lang pultan yun, sapa eh.
Ken,
Sapa, that's
crave
fucking
for that.
true.
Same, bro.
Yung may dumadaloy lang sa nakaganon ka lang sa bato.
Oh, damn.
Hanap kayo.
Relaxing, bro.
I am down for that one as well.
Dapat sinil naghahanap yung mga malapit sa Pampanga eh.
Ay,
Oo nga.
ama.
Meron na.
Yung
Oh,
may
ano?
iba siyang ginagawa ngayon eh. Dapat
Oo,
ginagawa,
nga
naghahanap siya eh. No? Tama, no? Tama.
Guys,
Meron
paano-
daw,
Wala
eh.
akong alam.
Anong alam mo? Sige nga.
Zambales.
Tangin na, nasa ano na listahan na natin yun eh. It goes without saying, Zambales is absolutely goated until now. Sana lang hindi maapektuhan nung pagka... I mean, the camping situation right now. But hopefully, on our next return there, okay pa rin siya. Okay, I wanna go back there, bro. May rest back ako sa fishing. Bro, okay? I will rent a kayak this time, okay? Kasi last time, puta muntik na ako mamatay doon, okay?
Saan?
So nagsasa. Kasi I had to climb rocks and shit. And then I swear to God,
fuck, I remember.
tinamaan ako ng isang wave doon, muntik na ako itangay, okay? So I'm gonna rent a kayak next time. So, anything else, guys, that
Yeah, baka may
any
gusto kayo.
activities na gusto yung gawin in the
Activities.
Ano gusto ko...
Ako lang naman eh. Si John nga, buti nahata ko na eh. So, basketball.
Oh yeah, you guys have been.
Oh,
Fucking true.
Ulul, hindi na nga tayo galaro for the last 2 months. Anong basketball?
Nako po.
Kumusta na ba yun?
Bibenta ko na kayo sapatos ko eh. Putek.
Pag
Don't do it,
nakalipat
bro.
na kasi, syempre.
Basketball every day. Lipat? What? Ikaw, pag nakalipat na si Trinity,
Nalipat na si Trinil.
Ako nga pala, ako lang pala.
Ako gusto ko pumunta ng Rent Fair pero ano...
Ooh, you know
Ako rin
what?
gusto ko sana pumunta ng Rain Fair eh. Pero
Next year, you know what? Next year we should...
ang layo kasi, 12 hours biyahe.
Well, 12 hours. It's just 6 hours, bro.
6 hours sa expressway. Basta 12 hours kasi yung biyahe.
Next
Sa
year.
dulo pa kami ng
Next
bundok.
year, we should go to Renfrew next year. Okay, I swear to God, you guys will enjoy it.
Nandito ka pa ba
Grabe
next
ako.
year?
Ah, shit. Oo nga, no.
Oo nga, no? Wala.
Ooh, fuck. You're fucking
yun?
right.
Diyan pa siya.
Damn. Well, cheers to us to whatever activities na gagawin natin this 2020. I had to check my... I actually had to check my fucking calendar.
Ano ba
2021 na
nasabi
pala.
ni Ken nung gusto niya?
Hindi, like he was actually
Extreme
just
shit.
asking us kung anong gustong pwede natin
Yeah.
gawin.
Gusto natin gawin,
he
you know?
just wants extreme shit.
Extreme o chill?
Extreme
pwede
nga.
mag-chill, pwede
Nakasabi
extreme,
na
oh.
ng extreme. Okay.
Pero mas, you know.
Damn, bro.
Okay, eto.
Come on,
We gotta
extreme.
try, we have to try airsoft, bro. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Puta rin, I remember, bro. Fuck.
As a Lilan tribute,
Fuck,
okay,
man. I remember, bro.
we have to try airsoft once.
Dylan keep asking me to join him, bro. Like 3 times, 4 times, he keep asking me.
Yeah, as a Lilan tribute, we have to. Okay.
Papayaramin niya pa ako ng barrel and shit. Tuturuan
ano
niya
pa
daw
ba?
ako. Man, fuck.
And other extreme shit, we have to do another karting episode.
Golf.
Somewhere.
Tangin na, di pa ka natatapos yun.
Golf! Drive. No,
Soccer.
hindi not really
Puta,
actual
egoist.
golf. Mag-ano lang tayo,
Course,
mag
yung
driving range lang tayo. Or the mini golf is fine.
Yeah, mini
Wala
golf.
lang,
Mini
wala
golf
lang
is fine.
magandang,
Golf
wala lang
is
magandang
Nakita
ano
natin
dito.
minigolf kasi napaka-ingay naman na hindi ka mag-enjoy.
Oo.
Hindi maano yung ano.
Feeling ko kasi kailangan rin
audio.
samahan ng nature yung mga pinagagawa natin.
Tama.
Parang alang sense rin kung asa loob rin ng ano, parang naglalaro lang tayo.
That's true. Other than that, I'll leave it to the viewers, bro. Mag-suggest sila ng mga
Nasuggest na lang kayo.
extreme
Or chill.
Exhibition. Let's go to Taiwan this year.
Oh, shit.
I'm just gonna say it.
That-
bro.
that's-
Let's go to Taiwan this year. Like,
Wala, idol, may trabaho ako.
Nah, bro.
kung makaipon.
Kung makakaipon.
I feel like we need another. We need another. Ano yan, out of
Pwede
country
naman,
trip.
basta alam mo na, idol. Basta karga mo ako.
Putang ina nyo. Okay. I'm just throwing ideas out there, bro. Just throwing ideas. Okay. Anything else? Ano ba tinanong kanina? Yung plans nyo? Like personal plans?
This month, nothing.
Chill lang. Okay.
Nothing,
Monster. Ako, Monster Hunter na ako, bro.
Monster Hunter, yes.
man.
Yes, Monster Hunter, yes.
Ba't ka nag-aanil, ha?
Specific.
Ba't ka nag-aha? Ano ba yan?
Nothing daw eh. Natatawa ako sa nothing eh.
Yeah, that's a valid answer, bro. Come on.
Personal plans nothing.
Yeah, personal plans natin. Just gonna play, bro.
So, you're just
Just
gonna
playing.
survive?
Just surviving, you know?
Surviving.
Ilangan. Well, yeah, guys. That's it for our freaking second podcast. Okay, chill lang tayo ngayon. Para lang maano.
So, just na rin kayo ng ano?
Oo.
Ng topic.
Gusto nyo pag-usapan namin in the future. This is just
Main topic.
This is nice.
Main topic. Yeah.
just chill. Kasi marami pang mangyayari in the next couple of days. So, who knows?
Chris, saan ka gumala?
Gumala? Saan?
Nakita kita gumala ka last time.
Gumala saan?
Parang mall or something.
Wala, nandun lang ako sa SM Clark. Nag-date kami ng asawa ko.
Oh, shit.
Damn, bro.
What the fuck is that question?
Oh, shit.
Why do you fucking care?
Why you care, man? Why do you care?
Damn, bro.
Tanga na, parang wala asawa.
Tanga, di ko nga ni-story. Di ko nga ni-story.
Hindi, may nag-post kasi nakita ko, damn, Chris touching grass. You're like,
Touching grass, where?
saan kaya to?
God damn.
Where?
May picture kayo eh.
You know,
Kasi sa Clark nga siguro.
What the fuck? May nag-picture?
Nag-picture.
This reminds me of something.
What?
Di ba nag-beach kami, ano,
Okay.
sa Aurora?
Oo nga, no,
Tama.
putang ina, di ba kwento
Kasama
yun?
yung ano, no.
Oo nga ba?
There's a one highlight. There's one highlight there, bro.
Okay.
Kasi ang taas kasi ng alon doon, di ba, and shit.
Uh-uh.
So I was like, you know what, let's just walk sa gilid ng beach. Alayo na kasi ng GF ko. You know, naglalakad siya pa, ano doon, trip niya yung pabalik-balik eh.
Okay.
Tuwatakbo ako, pupuntan ko siya. Gago, may nakita akong lalaki tsaka babae doon. Yung babae may may PR merch.
Oh, shit.
What?
Mas titig siya sa akin, you know?
Damn,
Parang di siya sure,
holy
like,
shit.
this is the weirdest
Is this
place
Vanilla?
na makikita ko si Vanilla. Baka kamukha lang. Alam mo yun?
Damn,
I
bro.
was like, oh my God, umabot dito. Yung PR merch. Yung bucket hat na may
Damn,
PR.
pinadala doon.
Sana
Think
all
about
my
it.
Order
PR
na.
merch. Putang ina.
Order now.
Sana all
Order
like
na.
Aurora.
Ano, print ako pa rin ba tayo? Print ako pa rin ba?
Oh, print ako pa rin.
Print ako pa rin.
Damn, bro.
But think
Sana
about
all
it, bro.
my PR
Puta
merch.
may... sobrang timing, di ba?
Oo.
Na may pumunta din nung weekend na yun sa beach na yun. Actually, sa iba silang resort eh. Pero alam mo yun.
Baka
Damn,
baka may nakatimbre sa'yo na parang
Ito,
putang ina.
interconnects, bro.
Like, John will go here sa Aurora on this day.
Gagang,
Galing ko
lungkot
PR
ka dun
merch
eh.
ka. Bakit?
Hindi pa sila
how was Aurora?
nakaka-recover. Hindi pa sila nakaka-recover sa dalawang bagyo nung November. Now think about it.
Oh,
It's already
What the
March.
fuck?
It's already March, bro. Lahat ng puno doon, lahat ng niyog doon, yung mga sanga nila nakaganon na lang o nakababa.
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 Sounds like a government issue, bro. Kasi Batanes could absolutely never, bro. Ano yung Batanes, yung pumunta ako nung December, di ba? Sila yung
Ay,
pinaka-blabog.
pumunta ka!
Pumunta ka!
Yeah, pumunta ako
Oy!
Batanes. Like, everyone...
Pumunta ka doon.
alam ng mga tao pumunta akong Batanes, okay? Di nila alam kung bakit.
Sabi nag-fishing ka,
Oh.
nag-fishing.
Siyempre nag-fishing ako, okay?
Tama,
But yeah, like...
Alam mo, hinanap ko si Torpin eh.
Oh. Dude, seryoso. If you,
Finding fish.
may isa akong clip na, ano yan, like, di ba, daming clips doon. Okay? Like, literally, mukha siyang Vinland Saga. And then, sobrang hangin. There was, like, this one guy na nakita ko from afar. Kasi ang layo niya, ha? Pero nakita ko, kasi, lahat doon, makikita mo, mapapansin mo, kahit kaano kalayo, mapapansin mo, like, the like, one person o isang kalabaw, makikita mo pa rin, eh. Kasi, flat yung mga cliffs. It's just green grass. So, there was one guy just standing on the cliff. Like, ang taas. It was just there. He was just vibing, bro. As in, ang lupit niya panoorin na zoom in ko
Like,
siya nung camera
kinahangin
ko.
siya.
Oh, like, he was just standing there, bro. Like, he was him. Like, he was doing every male fantasy of just, like, on a cliff. And just standing there and enjoying the world, bro. Para siyang at the end of the... Parang, alam mo yung feeling that you're at the end of the world. Tapos you just look at the horizon. Para siyang si Eren, pero more epic. Okay. And he was on a cliff. He was goated, bro.
Damn, bro.
Hindi ko
Kala ko
na
ikaw.
yung reel na yun, pero hindi ako. I was trying to recreate that. Okay, na-inspire ako sa kanya. Kaya ginawa ko yung isang clip. Pero pag nakita niyo yung clip niya, you'll get it. Hindi ko pa siya inaano ko eh. Next time.
Kailan tayo pupunta sa ganun, ha?
Dude, Batanes is so cool. Pero
Let's just
feeling
go
ko,
somewhere na ganun din. Tapos na-drive.
Expensive.
Tapos na-drive, okay?
It is expensive. Feeling ko, mas ma-enjoy nyo pa yung Siargao.
Siargao.
Expensive rin.
No, pagpunta sa Siargao, it's not expensive, but
Staying there, yes.
staying there, kinda, depending on kung saan ka, but it's pretty cool.
Puta, dito na lang tayo sa Luzon. Putang ina, what the fuck?
Drive na lang kaysa lipad-lipad pa.
Kaya nga sabi ko,
Yun yung
dito na lang sa
dyan.
Luzon, okay?
Okay, sure,
Hanap
bro.
kayong lugar na madadrive lang.
Tama. Okay. Rate Aurora. Can you rate Aurora 10 out of 0 out of 10? How would you
I
rate
mean,
it?
kung
in
doon
terms
kami
of the vibes?
kung doon kami nakapag-stay sa actual tent,
Kabila.
yeah, sa kabila na fully booked na, I would rate it like a 9.5, bro.
Wait, what
Kasi
happened?
Damn.
fully booked?
Saan
Di,
nagstay?
walk-in lang kami.
No, yun nga. So,
Puno.
since fully booked siya, anong nangyari? Saan kayo nagstay?
Doon lang, sa kabilang gilid.
And what was wrong with the kabilang gilid?
Sa kabigas kubo na good for 8 people, may aircon yung kubo and shit. Alam mo yun?
Oh, damn.
Wala
Sa
namang
sinolo
problema.
nyo?
It's sa same fucking ano.
So, sinolo niyo?
Gago, madami kami. 8 din nata kami.
Okay.
Ano, like, it's the same beach. Ano lang talaga yung, maganda lang talaga yung nakaupo ka sa, parang glamping. Isipin mo yung glamping natin, may electric fan and shit. Alam mo yun, like may kama sa loob.
Mhm.
Isipin mo gawin, tapos pagbukas mo, dagat, hindi Decathlon, alam mo yun.
Oh, hindi Decathlon. What the fuck?
Hindi. Wala pa ba nakapag-try sa inyo sa Soviet La Union?
Soviet? Layon yun?
Hindi, sa La Union. Sa La Union.
Laon yun.
Ako, nag-LA na ako before.
Ayan, si Neil, na-try niya.
Ako, nag-LA na rin ako.
Soviet La Union.
Oh, shit.
We should go there, bro. We should go there.
Masasuggest ko doon tayo, mano.
Ako, hindi ko.
Good coffee, good food, good ocean, you know.
I
Ocean.
kinda don't like La Union. Yung pinunta
Baka
namin.
napunta walang pangit, okay?
Kasi I can't serve. I'm not allowed to serve.
Ba't kasi magsuserve tayo?
Puta, La Union yan eh! Anong gagawin
We're
mo sa La
gonna free
Union?
dive! We're gonna free
Oh, free
dive!
dive. Oh, shit.
La
Apply
Union,
our
no.
shit.
Walang ang pangit sa La Union mag-free dive, okay?
Mamatay ka dun.
Doesn't matter, bro.
Wala.
Kailangan
ang daming
chill doon,
ang daming
mga
ano
bars,
doon.
mga ano.
Ang lakas ng alon doon. What the fuck, what do you mean, bro? You go to La Union and Aurora to fucking surf. Okay? If you wanna fucking free dive
Ba't bawal
and
ka
dive.
mag-surf?
He's back,
'Cause
bro.
I got a spinal problem, bro. What the fuck?
You don't have to stand.
What's the
Wala.
point? Putang ina, sana nagsalbabida na lang ako. Chill na lang ako. Tangina, alunin yung salbabida ko, yaworts.
Why are you gonna surf?
Also,
Yun yung
I
sa
tried
akin.
fishing there, bro. I tried fishing there. Wala akong makuha doon, okay?
Nah, bro,
Skittish yun.
yung ano lang. Wala lang talaga.
Oh, punta ako doon for the vibes, man. Hindi for the surf and ano. Kasi hindi
Just
kaya
be one
na
with
kapag
nature,
malaki.
bro.
What
Not
the
that
fuck?
shit.
No, bro. It has to be... Kung vibes lang naman, putang ina, pumunta na lang ako sa ibang dagat na may makapag-fishing pa ako. Kasi sana, nagsasa na lang ako. Kasi beach din yun eh.
Yan ang tama. Oh, di ba?
Ang ganda doon, legit.
Tama.
Feeling ko, kahit anong sabihin natin, mapupunta pa rin sa nagsasa. Babalik pa rin sa nagsasa.
It's just the best thing ever, bro.
Yes.
Yung fresh water, malamig, yung mga
Tama,
Dr.
Chris,
Pepper.
Tama, Chris.
Tama, Chris.
Tama.
Tama.
Hindi sumama si Chris
Tama.
doon. Sayang, puta na.
Wait, wala pa si Chris doon?
Wala.
Wala siya doon.
What, who the fuck? Sino yung kasama ko doon na I was vibing with? With the Pussy Juice?
That was us.
That was
Yes.
us.
That was us.
Yeah, wala.
What the fuck? Puta naman, Delevix. I swear to God.
Wala
there was
si Chris
like this.
doon. Tayo
Wala
na.
ka, hell.
Whoa, what the fuck? Wait a moment. I swear to
We're just
God.
drinking tapos nagmamarshmallow pa
Doon.
tayo.
Dude, I swear to God, there was like a memory of me na si Chris.
Chris, ba't di ka
Katabi ko
kasama
nung
doon, Chris?
gabi. Katabi ko.
Sabi niya, walang
tapos
babatay ng
nasa
aso niya eh.
Wala mo gumapatay na kina Ragnar.
Damn, see, exactly, bro.
Holy shit. Maybe it was...
Ayaw lang talaga sa mama ni Chris.
Maybe sa future yan. Na ano ko. Na,
Oh,
ano
shit.
Ko, na, ano yan? Na nostra
Future
ko
sight.
na. Okay. Na clear
Pero
voyage.
legit, ang ganda doon, you know. RTX on bundok.
Oo.
Fresh
Yeah.
water na malamig.
Tapos may ano.
May Nemo
mga-
pa.
Dr. Pepper na linulubog dun sa fresh
Tapos
water.
hindi na magluluto na, no?
This
Ayun,
fucking
patay.
true.
Yan yung kinuha ni Gian na.
Tapos may mga devil dogs na pagkagising mo
Ay,
puta,
gago.
rinansak na yung mga supplies nyo.
Meron ba?
Dude, lahat ng chichirya natin
Sinigil
napunta
nila
na
eh.
saan
Tinapon
saan.
natin kasi yun eh.
Kasi
Hindi natin tinapon,
naka-
tinakaw
nakasecure.
nila sa ano, kinuha nila doon sa
That
coolant
makes sense. Yeah, that
natin.
makes sense. That makes sense, bro.
Puta, ina,
Ang nakita ko
makatid
lang
yung
na
aso
aso doon,
doon.
yung aso doon naka-dip
Oh yeah, the dogs were chilling there dun sa river.
sa tubig
It was so
mismo na.
good, bro. Man, I hope okay pa. I hope okay pa yung nagsasa. Sir, I wanna go back there. Ayun. So,
That's a nice place. Wala
Ayun,
ba ano
guys.
doon? Ibang island para island hopping
meron
naman tayo?
naman. You can still island hop there. Walang problema. Nag-island hop tayo eh.
Yeah.
Eh,
We did. I
pero
went half.
parang saglit lang.
Bro, if only
Kasi
we knew
yun
how
lang
to,
naman yung mga
ano bro, if only we knew
to
how to free dive, bro.
Ah, yeah, yung nagano tayo, nagano din tayo ng mga isda, parang wala naman ako nakita masyado. Mas maganda pa rin sa
nakaano pa tayo
bolo,
doon.
pag magaganon ka.
Nagano pala tayo doon na jet ski.
Yeah, that's fucking nice.
Never again, bro.
Why?
I like
Wala
that
na,
shit.
like, parang I don't see the hype of jet ski anymore. Okay, you try it once, diba? You try it once and then that's
Yeah,
it.
this is my first time
Di
actually.
para makalayo ka,
Tapos.
babalik ka.
Exactly. What the fuck? You try it once,
Oh,
okay
we
na.
need to hike pala pagbalik
Fuck
natin.
that, man. I hate hiking, bro.
Now I'm kind of curious.
I
Can you
know.
actually jet ski to another country?
Tanong mo
Puta,
kay
if you have the
Digong.
fuel siguro.
Abot ko ng fuel.
Tanong mo kay Didong, kay Tatay Diggs.
Depende rin kasi yung
I
alon,
mean,
pagpalayo ka ng palayo.
No, you can't, bro.
I mean, disregard the Coast Guard that's gonna fucking block you and shoot you with a fucking gun or something.
No, you don't.
The
Nah.
Coast Guard, they can't,
Bro, unless may...
all the entry shit. Di nila maano yung lahat.
No, unless, Chris, may, may Shell at Petron in between ng, ng mga dagat, you can't. Okay, ako nagsasabi, you
Damn,
can't,
bro,
bro.
business idea, man. That's a nice business idea.
Nice. No, it's not. Do you know how many environmental laws we're gonna fucking violate having a fucking fuel
Sa ocean.
Gas
station
na ng dagat.
in
In open sea, tapag.
damn nil. Yeah, I think that's it for now, guys. You know who else loves to touch grass and water?
Our
Patreons.
Patreons!
Our fucking Patreons, bro. Look at them.
Ito, si ano,
Oh,
Yeah, sinend ko.
si
Oh.
Jaytan.
Tapos si John Anthony Casemiro.
Ano yan?
Anong ginagawa na ng
Touch
gusto
grass
nila?
always yan.
Tama.
Yan ang
Si
Patreons.
feeling ko yan si Chick Siroj hindi eh.
Oh,
Kulang
shit.
sa touch grass yan. Oh,
Tama,
ayusin mo
tama.
naman, Chick Siroj. Ayusin mo naman. Do
Si
better.
John
ah.
Anthony, Jim yan.
Tama. Ito
Okay,
si
that's
Eswar.
good, that's
good, that's
Mukhang
good.
naipaglaban pa
Yan ang
siya.
activity.
Si Articus din.
Si Articus, nagbobola yan. Kabola ko yan.
Oh,
Oh,
really? Damn, Articus. Sounds like a Roman hero, bro.
Si Eswar, ano ginagawa na Eswar?
Wala.
Nakikipaglaban.
Sa beach ata siya eh. oh.
Sa beach na yun, okay. Na-ano niya na,
Beach
na-reach niya na
vibes,
yung Vinland Saga, okay.
Thank you,
So,
thank you.
thank you,
Thank you, guys.
Patreons. Hopefully with your continued support, we will also touch grass in the future.
Ay, oo nga.
That's fucking true. Thank you so much dahil sa inyo nakapag-karting kami.
Yun yung nagano natin sa karting.
Yeah, sa karting.
Red ka na na! Red ka!
Asan na yung karting? Asan na yung karting? Guys, please, oh my God, hanggang ngayon. Ayun na
Our
ba yung legacy
promises.
natin? Hindi na natin maano yung karting. But yeah, guys, thank you for listening to this episode of Pinoy's Podcast. Chill lang muna kami ngayon. If you guys have any other topics you guys wanna suggest na pag-usapan namin, sure, let's fucking do it. And
If gusto yung ganito, ka-chill.
Chill
what do you
lang.
mean? What do you mean ganito ka chill? It's
Chill lang. Like,
What-
kwentuhan.
like,
Kung
that
ano
goes
random
without
bullshit.
that
Random
goes
and
without
ano.
saying, bro. Okay.
That is fucking true.
Depende
Goes
naman.
without
Pag-
saying,
pag-
bro.
pag-
Kasi
vibes.
next time, ang
Sorry
pag-uusapan natin
Sorry
is
na.
ang pag-uusapan natin is philosophies in life, okay? We're going back to our next
What
topic.
the hell?
Yeah, bro. We're gonna talk about philosophies you guys fucking follow in your life. Yun lang, that's it.
Ano ba yung I don't give a fuck? Yung ba yun?
It doesn't matter. Kahit ano, wala ka bang na anong mga, nung kabataan ka na
Yung ba yung
parang may...
pinicture mo only, bro?
Gago, I'm just gonna
No.
give you dark philosophies, bro.
Sure! Why not? That's fine. People
Like
want
bringing
that
a
shit.
child in this world is
Yes!
a selfish shit.
Okay,
No,
why
no,
not?
no.
Let's discuss that. And any type of philosophy you guys wanna share?
The
or talk about.
Philosopher's Stone.
Yes. So yan.
Tama.
Yan yung guys yung next episode. So there you go. Abangan
Bye-bye.
nyo sa amin.
Bye-bye, guys.
Also, if you guys wanna listen to us on Spotify, it's available right now.
Andun pa ba?
Spotify.com/
Andun pa.
Ano ba? Yun. Okay. Bye guys.
Bye. Peace out.
Bye-bye.
Thank you guys.
Okay.
Bye-bye.